Hi gorgeous, how are you? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. And for those of you who have already subscribed, thank you again for all your support. I can't do what I do without you, and let's build this empire together. All right guys, so if you haven't watched the last video yet, I want to go ahead and point out Mama got a new haircut. All my hair is gone. And Mama got a new pair of glasses. Ooh. Ooh, that's right. I don't know. Hubby says it looks like I should work for BuzzFeed because I'm so trendy now. BuzzFeed, if you're watching, hit me up, Bulldog. And once again, I am not endorsed by any means. I just love my lovely new jacket. Costco, baby. Now, for those of you who are also wondering, I did pick up the glasses at Target, which also took my vision insurance, which made it beauty on a budget friendly. Oh, yes indeed. Have new hair, new jacket, new glasses. What else do I need? I do feel like a whole new woman, but something's missing. Could it be? Mommy needs a new set of lashes. I went ahead and placed an order based on advertisements I kept getting on my Instagram feed. And I was hesitant at first. I wasn't really sure. I've never placed an order through an Instagram advertisement where it's like, hey, shop here, learn more, blah, blah, blah. So, wasn't really sure, but I figured, you know what, as an influencer, these are the risks that I need to take. So, I went ahead and ordered from official Mink lashes. That's right, baby. Mink lashes. We're having a sale, at least at the time that I placed this order. By each pair of lashes came in a 3-pack. By three packs, okay? Let's do that math. So 9 pairs of lashes. You buy 9 pairs of lashes, you get 3 additional 3-packs for free. So you get another 9. You basically just double your order. Right? That's the easy way to say it. A lot of people got confused. A lot of people were contacting the business saying, I don't understand, the discount wasn't applied to my cart, blah, blah, blah. And they said, no, you take the 3-packs, you add 6 to your cart, 3 are gonna be free. Okay? You just gotta pay the price for 3 full, you get double, that's it. So they had a few select styles to choose from, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox them now, and I'll probably apply them as well just to complete the look for the day. Let's spill the tea a bit, shall we? I went ahead and placed this order on Instagram, as I have already told you. Upon placing my order, I selected whatever shipping method that was I can't remember if it was 5 to 7 business days or 3 to 7 business days or whatever else. Guaranteed shipping. After I placed that order, never got a confirmation email. Yes, I got a confirmation order number at the end, but I never got an email confirming that. I never got a shipment email. I never got an order processing email. So red flags started to go off in my head, right? Like, no, that's not normal. You normally get something to your email that you signed up with. So I'm like, oh boy, here we go. I took a risk, and as an influencer, I need to let you know. Yeah. So I started reaching out to the company. Every day, I wrote another email to them. Hey, it's day. Every business day, because I was nice and waited every business day. So I didn't even count the weekends that fell in there. Didn't even count the holidays that fell in there. I placed this order, waited a couple weeks. Pretty soon I'm like, okay, you know what? They've had weeks to process this. They've had a few days to ship it. Still haven't got any sort of processing email, no confirmation email, no shipment email, no tracking number, nothing. Nothing, not even on their site. So I started writing them. Oh, it's day whatever. You know, I haven't heard anything. Can you please give me an update on my order? No response. Okay, fine. They probably take a few business days to get back to you, and that's normal. If you've ever contacted a customer service or email, they usually request 48, 72 hours to get back to you. Well, the next day, I write them again. again, and again, and again, and again. At this point, I'm frustrated. There's no customer service phone number on their website. So I feel like I got screwed. I got screwed hardcore. I then contacted Instagram and I reported all of their active advertisements as spam. I then started to go through the comments of each of the advertisements, and people were saying, you know, I never got my order, what's going on, refund me my money, all this stuff. So then I in turn went in and wrote them again and said, I am requesting a full refund, because on their website it said you had to request the refund within 30 days of placing the order. Placing the order, not even you receiving it. So I'm like, oh no, we're getting pretty close to that time frame. Then isn't it funny that the minute I asked for a refund, I got a response to the very first email I sent them saying, sorry, we get thousands of orders a day. We have no way to confirm it, but don't worry, it'll be processed. If you have no way to confirm, then how do you know my order was processed? If you as a business have no way to confirm whether your orders have been processed, shipped, or what have you, what kind of business are you running? Why would you do that to your customers? That's a poor business model. I don't have a business degree, but I can tell you as a customer, no. To my surprise, to my utter amazement, a package arrived. Okay. Now at this point, we're 4-ish weeks in. It feels like, at least. I don't know. Could have been longer, could have been shorter. It's been a long process. First class shipping in a regular old envelope. Just bag. There's a shipping label on the side, so I'm not going to show you the other side, but it's just a regular old bag. Nothing there except the return label that has our address on it. This could have been crushed. It was delivered by USPS, which, you know, no offense to them, but just something like this where you're talking about something so delicate as eyelashes, something that could have been crushed and destroyed. I feel like they should have took a bit more pride in their own product and at least put it in some kind of a box so it was a bit more protected. But with that being said, I have yet to see the lashes, and then tell me about it. I am so scared. Oh, I'm so scared. But let's go ahead and see what we got. So I've already cut open the envelope, and we're gonna go ahead and start with number one. Remember, I got 6 3-packs of lashes. All right, ooh, these are kind of cute. First impressions, that band is kind of thick, which, you know, you can work with. This is the style called Queen. On the front, it does have their logo, the official Mink lashes. And those are the lashes themselves. So that band is a little bit thick. It's not the transparent. Again, it is the 3-pack. On the back of the package, there is some writing. I will read to you now. Official Mink lashes, 100% sterilized human hair and cruelty-free synthetic fibers. Reusable lashes that won't disappoint. And then it has a check mark. Perfect for any event, check mark. Guaranteed satisfaction, check mark. Follow us at Mink Lashes on Facebook, at Official Mink Lashes on Instagram, and at Official Mink Lashes on Twitter. Here was pretty big. All right, you know, that was a good sale. Maybe you were just backed up. Let's go ahead and unwrap number 2. Number 2, okay, so I did double up some of my orders because I do like the more dramatic, I do like the bigger lashes. So again, I do have another one of the Queen. So that makes 2 Queen of the Official Mink lashes. Again, you can see they are the same, the 3-pack with the writing on the back. Number 3. Box number 3. And oh, It looks like that box is slightly destroyed here in the corner. It's kind of open. I don't like that. All right, this one, again, the band is a bit thicker, but in some areas on some of the lashes, it's transparent. There are gaps in it, which, okay, whatever. We'll see. This one is the style Diva. And again, it is the 3-pack of lashes with the same writing on the back. Let's go ahead and take a look at Diva here. Well, I do like these ones. These ones are definitely thicker, but I noticed here at the bottom, the band, and this probably won't show up on camera, but the band in some areas is transparent, whereas the other ones on all of them are black. So that's different. But okay, those are very pretty. I would be excited for those ones for sure. I don't think this was my order. Or maybe it was, I don't know. I don't remember at this point, it's been so long. I went ahead and took out the last 3 boxes and we're gonna go through them one at a time. As you can see, all 3 have the same writing on the back, and all 3 have the little advertisement in the corner of the style, and all 3 are 3 packs of lashes. Now these 3 are all different styles, so it looks like I only doubled up on Queen, which I'm kind of wishing I had doubled up on Diva at this point. But let's go ahead and take a look. So first of all, this one is definitely more wispy, if that makes sense. It's more light, it's more airy. This one is the style Wifey, and let me just point out to you, this box is also opened. That's disgusting. And it's all on the bottom too. Please send them in boxes so they don't get crushed during shipment. It makes everything a lot easier. Let's think about this logically. If it were crushed and I return this and I want an exchange, I have to send this back to you. You in turn have to send me something else. Wouldn't it just be a lot easier to send it in a box where it'd be secured to begin with? Brilliant. Over. This one is Wifey, and you can see there's a lot more finer hairs there. There's a lot of layers. Not gonna lie, but they look a lot lighter, a lot less heavy. Whereas this one looks a bit more, was it this one? This one, it does have that same, but you can tell looks much more mechanical and methodical in its process. Whereas Wifey just looks a lot more, I'm gonna say romantic. They look a lot softer, a lot less harsh. You can see it's not all perfectly even, but it looks great. You can see here how this one here kind of goes inward and this one here is pretty flush. See that difference? Step, we have Style Sweetheart. Now taking a look at this one I would say is more of, just by looking at it in the box itself, obviously I haven't applied them yet, it looks much more like an everyday sort of lash, something more natural, a lot more light. You can see the fibers aren't as condensed. So it is something just a lot more light and airy. Just something you don't have to go for that dramatic every time, although I do love a good dramatic lash, absolutely, but that would be more of an everyday look. Lastly, last product, we do have Dreamer. Now this one has more of the crossing fibers that kind of do this number. They do look pretty light and airy, although near the base it looks kind of chaotic, so I'm not really sure how these are going to translate when you actually put them on the eyes. But again, there you go. All right. So I will probably put these on off camera and I will do a still shot of one of them. I'm not sure which, but I'll go ahead and throw the name up at the end of the video. Would I ever buy from Official Mink lashes again? The answer is a hard, solid no. There is a lot wrong with the business model. Not being able to tell me if my order, what the status of my order was, but letting me know it's okay, it's been processed. But you don't know the status of it because you get too many orders. That doesn't make sense to me. To me, some sort of organization there is missing, which makes me as a consumer very worried. So would I ever buy from them again? No. I will probably try another lash website. Maybe they work together, I don't know, but I would gladly give my money to somebody a business, a company who can process things properly, who can give me those updates, who can send me tracking numbers, who can give me information, who send me those email updates, and who, you know what, probably send their packaging, their product in better packaging. Just being honest, hashtag honest reviews. Not endorsed by any means, and I'm sure I am sure I will get some backlash from them later on. So we'll see how it goes, but again, I'll go ahead and try on a pair. Based on today's look, let's go ahead and try, we'll try Queen because I got 2 packs of her. So I'll go ahead and put on a pair of Queen, and I'll go ahead and throw up an image at the end for you guys to see, both with and without my glasses. And again, this is official Mink lashes. No, would not buy again. So again, if you guys liked my honest review, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and hit that like button. Remember guys, always let your inner beauty shine. So take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. What in the fuck is wrong here? This is fucking terrible. Oh my god, these are awful. Oh my god, what did I put on my face? I don't know what the fuck is going on here, but this is no. This is Oh hell no. These are awful.